Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find Slack groups. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, you will need to first connect into your working space, and after that, you will be needing just to be here on this sidebar or on this side menu. And basically from this side menu, you will be able to start navigating all your uh, working space, items, or components. And basically, we are interested in searching for the groups. And basically, you will be able to do it by going to more. And from there, you will be needing just to search for groups or channels. So here, by clicking on more, we will find, for example, channels. And from here, you will find like any channel that you would like, which are like kinda a group of people. But what we want is like the group that are created from by members, or like it's just like also a DM, but it contains many or multiple members. So from here we will find like these people, and you click on it, and from here you will find user groups. And as you can see, you will be able to start like seeing a team group that you can search for from here. If there wasn't any groups in your organization or for your working space, you won't find anything here. And basically, we will be able to start like creating one. So let's just make it a team. Let's just like name it whatever. And from here, you can like have it anything. You can add the purpose. You can give it a channel, like a dedicated channel. From here you can click on next. So basically now you will be able to start adding the member to add to this group, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.